السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Is it weird for someone to want hardship, to feel closer to Allah, to feel loved by Allah?
It is totally weird and out of the question, because it's like testing Allah Azza wa Jal. Come on, bring it on. Show me some hardship and I'll show you how a strong Muslim I am. Akhi, this is nuts. This is crazy. Who are you testing? You don't speak like this with someone on worldly measures who could beat the heck out of you, let alone speak to the owner of the heavens and the earth and the creator of everything we see and the most merciful, the most compassionate, instead of asking him for mercy, for his kindness, for his generosity, instead of asking him to make you steadfast on Islam without testing you. You go ahead and cross the limits. This is totally insane. It was reported that one of the Salaf said, "Oh Allah, test me with whatever you want, and you will see how patient and tolerant I am." So Allah Azza wa Jal tested him that urine would not come out. There is a medical terminology. It's the opposite of urine incontinence. So it would not come out. So the man was in pain and agony. And he used to go down to the masjids and talk to the youngsters, the young kids doing tahfidh al-Quran, and say, ask dua for your uncle Bahlul, because he lied and he's unable to tolerate and be patient. Akhi, no one can test Allah Azza wa Jalla. And I think it's even mentioned in the Bible when the devil crossed path with Isa, peace be upon him, and he told him, if you trust Allah, throw yourself from a mountain. And Isa, peace be upon him, said, you do not test Allah Azza wa Jalla. Allah tests you. So this is totally insane. That's why at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, a man, a companion, fell sick, and he was so sick he was like a small bird that was shaken. He lost all of his weight. So the Prophet visited him ﷺ. He said, did you invoke Allah? Did you ask Allah for anything? And the man said, yes. I said, oh Allah, whatever I was supposed to face as punishment on the day of judgment in hellfire, bring it on to me here, so it would cleanse my sins. And the Prophet was outraged, alayhi salatu wasalam. He said, Subhanallah, and who can tolerate this? Why didn't you ask Allah Azza wa Jal for forgiveness, for al-afiyah? Salullah al-afiyah. Ask Allah Azza wa Jal for forgiveness and for health and for well-being. Because there's nothing better on earth after certainty than a well-being, and Allah knows best.